What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am Chris, I am from nuppfx, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this city sign with a post-apocalyptic quarantine zone feel to it. So let's just jump right in. Now this thing was super fun to make. It took just scrap materials and stuff I had lying around. So just remember that you can be creative with anything you have lying around. And with that being said, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. There are links down in the description below that help me keep creating and keep putting out these videos for you guys. Hopefully you found this educational. And until next time, just keep on creating.